And welcome back to your Saturday Sports Special. Former national midfielder and long-serving youth football coach at JC, Wayne Palmer, has been recognized for his outstanding work at the institution. As you'll hear in this report, he still continues to contribute to the sport despite failing health.
Wayne Palmer has been a familiar face on the sidelines for many of JC's all-conquering youth teams. In the 18-year period from 2006, he won 16 schoolboy football titles. That sort of record has not gone unnoticed, and the school's leadership honored him for his contribution at the recent JC track and field meet.
You know, it's a dream come true. You know, most time people wait till you pass on, then them honor you. You know, I get my own while I'm still alive, you know, so it's made me feel proud. So I can take this one and put it up on my wall, and when I pass, I can take a look on it every day and see the achievement.
And he's won 16 titles, 16 under 14 titles during that period. 8 urban and 8 all island, a staggering record. So one who has contributed to the growth and development. He has produced national players coming from the under 14 level right through.
A former national representative himself, Palmer has helped many youth standout players to own their skills and transition to the next level.
Like a player like Junior Flemings, you know, he's one of my first players that I win under 14 with. He was one of my captain, you know, and I've been proud of that youngster for the past couple of years. We still talk. You know, most of the time I give him a call. For the Christmas holiday, I give him a shout out to. Most of my players, I still keep in contact with most of them.
In a tell-all interview with TVJ Sports, Palmer revealed he's been battling cancer.
It was a difficult time last year, you know, for 1 year and a half. Still going through certain things, but I don't make that damper my spirit, you know. I just use the football as my motivation, because if you think I don't even want to call the name of it still, you know, I just leave it right there, son. If I put my mind down that road, it won't help me. So I just keep myself positive and think about the football. And I'm still back at Jamaica College teaching the development program, and that keeps me going.
And now in his darkest hour, many of those young footballers he's helped have returned along with their families to make a contribution.
And I have parents, you know, I used to coach them kids, and they chip in and do, you know. I have some parents, but I don't want kind of individual name, but thanks to each and every one.
A modest man, he has not gone public with his needs, but
I still need help because I'm still doing treatment. I know overall the treatment don't stop right here. It's still a process I've been going through same way. So, and it's today I went by and get some medication and so forth, because I still have to keep checking up, doing blood works, doing my chemo, therapy same way. But although a man might be see me here still,
not 100.
Not 100, but I'm good. You know, by the grace of God.